Practice it. 1.4 sum number 2. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blanks. Now let us understand this is an activity. In the question, the triangles are similar given to us, and in the solution we are talking about area. That means this gives us a suggestion that we are supposed to use areas of similar triangle. So let us understand the activity. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square, which is equal to 2 square upon 3 square. This is given to us in the question. Is equal to, tell me students, what is 2 ka square? 4. What is 3 ka square? 9. That's it. This is a sum for 1 mark.